iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's open it. Open it. I let them put the, I don't know, iPhone 15 Pro Max silver color. No orange na guys, nag-iisa lang din to. So this has a screen protector already. Nice iPhone 17 Pro Max from Best Buy. Let's open it. Add iPhone 17 Pro Max. Silver color, naubusan na ng orange. Ay, naulahiman ko eh.